Hi there, students. A show of hands. Okay, this is where something is decided by a vote, in which people raise their hands to show that they support a suggestion, or they don't. So, would all those in favour of this vote now, please? And all those against? So clearly, on a show of hands, there is a vast majority in favour of the suggestion. His re-election to the position was approved on a show of hands, or by a show of hands. So on a show of hands, when people voted, or by using a show of hands. So a show of hands, it's the raising of hands to indicate if you're voting for or against a proposition. And generally this is an informal way of doing it. It's a way of voting, but without counting each single person. So let's have a show of hands. Who's in favour of the proposal? And who's against? And you look and you see, and generally it's easy to see if people are in favour of something or not. The vote was passed by a show of hands. Okay, so this is a vote was taken by a show of hands. It's people showing whether they agree with something or not by raising their hand. The dispute was settled with a show of hands. Russell then asked for a show of hands concerning each of the targets. The jury signified their verdict by a show of hands. Okay, so instead of a show of hands nowadays, we have electronic devices to do it. The citizens present decided by a show of hands what should be done. Voting is by show of hands, and the agenda is circulated to householders 1 month before the meeting. Typically in a show of hands, it's estimated whether people are in favour of something or not. So elections are conducted by a show of hands, with the leaders elected by majority voting. After another show of hands and some applause, the meeting ended and everyone went their own way. Typically the number of people voting are estimated rather than counted. Perhaps if it's very close, then they will count the hands, but generally you can see very easily by show of hands if people are in favour of something or they are against it. Generally speaking, strikes are decided by a show of hands. They put the motion, should the union go on strike or not, and there's a show of hands to those in favour and then those against. And this is a show of hands, people showing their hands. It's to vote about something. So by show of hands, how many of you would prefer to have this test on Friday? But then classrooms are not a democracy. The teacher says, we do this and that's it. They voted overwhelmingly by a show of hands to have a picnic. They voted overwhelmingly by a show of hands to vote using a show of hands. So a question is decided by a show of hands, and this indicates yes or no, and you raise your hands or you don't raise your hands. You need to have those in favour and those against, because you might also have a lot of people who don't want to vote, who abstain. Okay, so parliamentary leaders agreed to take all such decisions by show of hands. Yeah, it's a ballot, a vote, a sort of a voting round, but a very easy, very basic one. they decided this by a show of hands, and it was agreed almost unanimously. Who's in favour of the proposal? Can I have a show of hands, please? So, a show of hands. Yeah, you are showing your hands literally. Formality. A show of hands. 5 in formality. Use anywhere. So, show of hands. Bye for now.